Hello, welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today, I like to talk about the importance of making choices as a child. It has some benefits for your child if you give it some choices. And I like to talk what benefits that are in a few moments. Before I like to go to name the benefits, I like to first help to remind you about the introduction workshop that will start, and I will talk about how to give space for emotions and limits to behavior with children. When raising children, it can be a challenge. How do you combine those two, the emotions and the limits to behavior? It is possible, and I like to inspire you with this introduction workshop. But now you can find more about this introduction workshop below at the description. And now I'd like to continue with the benefits for a child when you help your child to make choices. And what kind of choices can your child make? Um, uh, Making choices are a valuable exercise in decision making for children. You will see, if you didn't practice this a lot as a child, as an adult, it is most of the time difficult to make choices about your partner, about your work, about your lifestyle. That's why it's so important to give choices for your child. For example, when you have two jackets for summer, you can ask your child, what jacket do you want to wear today? The pink one or the black one? Or when you have more shoes to choose from, you can ask your child, what shoes do you want to wear today? And what clothes do you want to wear? And if a child is young, you do not give so many choices. You just give two options. If you want to make lunch for a child, you say you can ask your child just to learn how to trust their own judgment, and that's okay, and to grow in it as a child. For example, you can ask your child, do you want peanut butter or cheese on your bread? So make it small choices. And as the bigger your child grows, the more and it's known how to make choices and to trust the own judgment, then you can give more choices. You can say, we have a lot of cups, and what cup do you want to drink your tea in? Another small choice you can give your child is, we are leave when you are playing at the background at the playground with your child, and you want to leave in 5 minutes, then you can say to ask your child, we will leave in 5 minutes. Do you want to go down the slide again or on the swing? So that your child can make a choice. And that's so important, because the benefits for children who are allowed to make many choices are that it won't be so hard as an adult to make choices about work, about a partner, about a lifestyle. So it has so many benefits for your child. So I've just given you many choices that you can give your child. And look per age and per child, of course, how many choices you can give. But look at the options. There are always so many options that you can give your child a choice. Of course, not always. You do also have to move on during a day. So it's not okay to let your child decide about everything during a day. But there are always options that it's okay to let your child choose. So I hope to have inspired you, and also by giving you the benefits for your child, so that you are feeling inspired to really look at opportunities of when can you give your child two options or three options, depending on the age, of course, and be okay with every outcome that your child chooses. So it feels that it can trust his own judgment, so that he can really start to know that it's okay to trust your own judgment. Uh, so I hope to have inspired you, and just look at your own situation. What choices can you give your child in your situation? And just play with it and have fun with it. And thumbs up if you liked it. And I hope to see you in the introduction workshop. More about the introduction workshop at the description below. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.